Hello my friends, right now I'm in the SIQ classroom where I'm learning, listening and planning how and where I will lead my company in 2020 and beyond. Shh, let's keep our voices down so we won't disturb the classroom, and let's head into my laboratory to see all the things on my mind. Here we go.
I'm thinking, times are changing more and more rapidly, and the only constant in our lives is change. That's why it is crucial to know what will happen, to predict the possibilities. Did you know that most jobs that we have today won't even exist in 10 years? Meaning that you might be pushing up on the hill, but it might be the wrong hill, genius, and your company might fail. Luckily, SIQ offers more than 170 different educational programs where you can get the latest info about different industries. Each year, 4,000 participants visit more than 400 lectures led by 70 experts in different fields. And what is most important, specialists that teach those trainings don't just possess the theoretical knowledge, they have practical insights, experiences from their fields, and deep-rooted insight of the problems of integrating new strategies and visions into your company. From quality assurance to business continuity planning all the way to excellence. Oh, you don't have the time to come here and learn from the top achievers in your field? Say no more. All those experts can also visit your company as guest lecturers and share their knowledge with your whole team. Or, if you prefer, you can also apply for an online course. The lecturers have more than 15 years of experience in the field and always keep up to date with the knowledge of tomorrow. Switch! I'm sorry, what is the most important thing a company can learn nowadays?
A company can learn only if its employees learn. Successful companies already recognize that employee training is essential and should be always on the top of priority lists. There are many challenges to be met in the future, and companies must be able to keep up with trends and rapid change, especially considering the rise of technology and sustainability issues. Companies must be able to create a motivating and agile working environment that empowers their employees to achieve results. Constant education is an important part of that.
And how do you conduct the trainings and disseminate the knowledge?
They are conducted in our classrooms, such as today, where participants from various organizations meet to exchange know-how and their experience. Another form are so-called in-house trainings, where our lecturer provides their lecture at the client's location. We also conduct trainings online in virtual classrooms, as well as webinars.
This is it for today, but not quite. I can continue my lessons on the digital SIQ platform, where I can get much more information. Education ignites your inner flame. As Michelangelo said, I'm still learning. At the age of 87, never stop. If you like science, how things work and how they are tested, don't forget to click subscribe with the bell aside. For more cool videos, thank you for watching. See you!